Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ryan. Today I'm going to be reviewing a beer from Adroit Theory. They are a brewery based out of Purcellville, Virginia. Story on this is I, for work, had to run down to Richmond, Virginia and back to Maryland in one day, and it was quite a drive, but along my return drive I was going to be passing this brewery, and while I've had many of their beers before, I have never been able to get my hands on their taproom only crowlers that they release. And what I've seen on the social media, they look amazing. So I decided I would bite the bullet, drive roughly 20 minutes out of my way, and get my hands on one. So this they are calling Negation. Obviously, I'm assuming anyway that this is their typical crowler can art. Pretty cool. They always have some really awesome can art. So again, this is called Negation, and this is actually a mix of two of their previously released stouts. So this is a mix of their peanut butter cup stout as well as their Oreo Blizzard stout. So this is a cream stout coming in at 12% ABV. Pretty sure that is all I am going to get out of this. This was just released this week. I believe it was released either Tuesday or Wednesday, which would make this 3-4 days old. Actually, I take that back. 2 to 3 days old. So pretty fresh. Let's bust into it. I have a roll of paper towel here because I do know from prior experience and watching other beer tubers that this tends to make a mess when you pour it. Also, hashtag proper glassware. Oh. Come on. There we go. I'm going to talk about thick. I've never seen anything quite thick like that. Chunks and chunks. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of looks gross. But based on what I've heard, they're actually using peanut butter cups and in this, so quite interesting. So that pours out. It looks like chocolate milk. I should have probably shook this up a little bit based on what I'm seeing here. It's kind of looking like it's looking like a Dairy Queen Blizzard. It looks thick. I'm seeing chunks of stuff on the glass. Oh yeah. I'm getting whiffs of this. Alright, going in on the nose. Wow. Chocolate peanut butter cup. Yeah, so definitely getting the chocolate peanut butter cup. At the same time, also getting that dark chocolate cookie that you would from an Oreo. As well. Wow, this is very interesting. I've never quite smelled anything like this. I mean, it smells like you took a peanut butter cup and an Oreo and just smashed it together, and then you smell that. That's exactly what it smells like. I'm getting the chocolate on the peanut butter cup. I'm getting the peanut butter from the peanut butter cup. I'm getting the dark cookie from the Oreo. I'm getting the cream, that sweet vanilla cream inside the Oreo. I'm going in. Cheers. What? Yeah, they definitely used actual peanut butter cup. They actually used, or I just got a big chunk of peanut butter. This is really good. I mean, this is a 32-ounce crowler. This is probably 4,000 calories. I'm gonna drink this and probably pour the rest of this into my growler and save it for another day. Anyway, you want to talk about thick? Yeah, she thick. Creamy, thick, chocolate, peanut butter. You get that, that vanilla cream from inside the Oreo. I could feel the sugar coursing through my veins right now. Look at that on the glass. I'm glad I went out of my way and got this. All right. 12%. I mean, I can't tell. I can't tell this is 12%. I would guess 9%. This is exactly what it says it is. I know I feel like I'm repeating myself here, but you get the peanut butter cup and you get the Oreo Blizzard from DQ. You just took an Oreo Blizzard, took a couple peanut butter cups, mashed them up, threw it in the Oreo DQ Blizzard, mixed it up, put some alcohol in there. Ta-da. This is what you got. And like I'm saying, like, you get actual chunk. I'm going to pour a little bit more. Look at that. I don't know if you can truly see that. Look at that. Sludge. This is something else. First time I've had a beer quite like this, that's for sure. This is a dessert. This is definitely a dessert beer. All right, so a rating for this. It's interesting because typically pastry stouts aren't necessarily my thing, but this is not cloyingly sweet. I'm enjoying this. I cannot really think of anything I would improve upon. I'm gonna give this a 4.8, 4.9, 4.9, giving it a 4.9. Yeah, I can't think of anything to improve upon this. Really close to putting it up to a 5, but it's not quite my flavor profile. So, all right, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below for the algorithm, and until next time, peace.